Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is going to be a weekly plan with me in my hourly happy planner. I will show you how last week came out, and I have been really loving my setup so far. I have been so productive in getting things done, and basically that's been the use of my hourly happy planner to keep track of my top 3 and my schedule, and then I've been using half sheets in order to keep track of all other things that's going on, like daily lists or task things that I need to just kind of keep track of. So we're gonna keep this going for the next upcoming week, and I do have my black and my red pen. I have some whiteout. I have 3 half sheets that I'm going to be using this week. I use this one for YouTube, this one for my bills, and this one to keep track of daily things that I have coming up. And for my stickers, I'm going to be using the Happy Illustrations sticker book from Happy Planner. I also have some sticker icons here, and I also have some additional icons from my shop. So that's what we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm pretty sure my color scheme for this week is going to be like navy, blue, and I do want to use the silver washi tape. I don't do like much of a big color scheme because my style is so functional, but I do want to add a couple of stickers, so that's what I'm going to do. So that's basically it for my sidebar. Up here, I keep my upcoming, whatever's upcoming the next week. And then down here, I keep my routines, which I'm only gonna keep track of 2 routines next week, maybe 3, we will see. And the next thing that I'm gonna do is check the weather app so that I can add my icons across the top. The weather icons that I use are from my shop. It's these little dot icons, and I just add them across the top. And next week, it's going to be raining every single day, so I'm just gonna mark that down. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is decorate my half sheet, which I only usually do 1 or 2 stickers on each half sheet. I don't do much to it, but I just like to do something that matches my sidebar. So now that all of the stickers are down, I'm going to start jotting down the things that I have to do this upcoming week. Now, I use 2 places within my planner in order to keep track of the different things that I had coming up next week. One thing that I use is my sidebar right here, and I'll jot down different things that I have to do, but then I realized that this was not enough space for me to kind of stay on top of what's coming up. So I also use the back of my take note sheet, and I use the back of this to kind of keep track of what's coming up in the very next week. So these are the 2 places that I'm gonna look in my planner in order to plan out the very next week. So let's go ahead and write some things down. The other place where I keep track of things is for my YouTube schedule, I'll write on the back my schedule for the next week. So then that way I can use this to film and plan out what I have coming up next. So this is my schedule so far for the week. I have my top 3 at the top and then my schedule right here. The night before is when I usually fill everything out because I like to do it the night before to make sure that my schedule is really accurate. So I'm about to jump to my half sheet and actually fill out what I have going on for YouTube the next week. And then I'll probably add a sticker at the top so that I can keep track of what I want to film for the following week. Okay, so this is my YouTube schedule for next week, and then I have my blank page where I can kind of jot down what's going to happen in the following week. Okay, this is the layout for the week. I have my YouTube schedule here, and on this sheet I have my work schedule. So my top 5 for next week are to clear my Etsy orders. I want to work on sending out my Patreon kit for this month, and then I have some additional orders that I need to make sure that I fulfill. Either they were emailed or through my website. And I want to create 3 new sticker icons for my shop. So I have that there, and then I have my quote for the week, which is work hard, be kind, and amazing things will happen. On the back here, I have left everything blank so that I can jot down my notes of anything that I need to kind of keep track of for the following week. I'm going to leave my expense tracker blank for now because, you know, on Tuesday my budget with me's come out, and so this upcoming Tuesday I will fill this out by referring to my monthly spreadsheet, and I have been using this system and it has really been working. I basically just jot down everything that I need to pay, and then as I pay it, I just check it off with a red pen. And it has been really working out. I have been loving the system. So that is it for this plan with me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you really do enjoy it, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.